In continuation to Provident Fund, in income from salary, that is computation of salary, now we are going to discuss the important topic called Provident Fund. See, we are all well aware that Provident Fund schemes offered for the benefit of the employee. So it is called as a welfare scheme. It is a type of welfare scheme, and in this it is of three types. This Provident Fund scheme, it is of three types. One is statutory Provident Fund, recognized Provident Fund, public Provident Fund. These things are recognized, and another one is unrecognized Provident Fund, that will be dealt separately. In statutory Provident Fund, it is provided to only for government employees of a Tamil Nadu government, Andhra Pradesh government, like that, central government, like that. Recognized Provident Fund offered by the companies, limited companies. Then third one is public Provident Fund, no employer, it is contributions made by the person, individual himself. In each except public Provident Fund, all other schemes are having two contributions. One is employer, that is our employer is contributing the amount of contribution for our benefit, so it is treated as a income, and we are contributing the amount of contributions, we are making our contributions, so it is considered as a savings that goes to straight away employees contribution, that goes to deductions under 80C. First, let us take the statutory Provident Fund. In short, it is called as SPF. In SPF, employer contribution is fully exempted, no taxability, fully exempted. Employee contribution is deduction under 80C. Then recognized Provident Fund. Here we should concentrate more. In recognized Provident Fund, employer contribution is taxable in excess of 12% of the contribution. 12% on what? 12% on basic plus dearness allowance or dearness pay. So what the amount of salary, basic salary and dearness pay you are having, on that 12%, above 12% is taken as a taxable amount. So that means up to 12% is not taxable, it is exempted. Then employee contribution, as usual, it is eligible for, that goes to, that is qualified for deductions under 80C. In public Provident Fund, in short, it is commonly called as PPF. I am having an amount, I just want to make a savings, monthly savings, so I can approach the post office or any nationalized bank branches who are having this PPF scheme, offering the PPF scheme, so I can make the contributions there. And no employer contribution, only employee, that is as an individual I have to make the contributions. So in PPF, no point of asking that employer, only own contribution, it is eligible for 80C deduction. And the next point here is interest on Provident Fund. Contributions in statutory Provident Fund, that is SPF, is exempted. So likewise, interest on SPF is also exempted. And another one is for RPF. RPF, employer contribution is up to 9.5% is exempted. Here the point is 9.5% in the sense 9.5% on the contribution. Straight away you should not calculate 9.5% on the X. No. 9.5% on the percentage what you are contributing, on that what your employer is contributing, on that 9.5% is exempted. So in excess of 9.5% is taxable. And the employee, that will be dealt in another chapter called other sources, that goes to another one. And another one is transfer of the refund. Periodically I am making the contribution, now I am getting the full accumulated balance, right? That one is transferred. Now I am getting the refund of that balance. In SPF, that amount is fully exempted. in RPF, recognized provident fund, that amount is normally exempted in all the cases except in certain cases, right? That will be explained at the time of solving the problem, so you can able to understand that very clearly. So now we should know how to treat statutory provident fund. It is fully exempted. Recognized provident fund, employer contribution is taxable in excess of 12%. Interest on RPF in excess of 5% is taxable. This is important condition applicable in almost in all the essay type questions. That means you will get conditions for PF you will get in essay type question. Also the same thing is asked just for answering only the product computation of provident fund, taxable provident fund, for 2 mark or 5 mark. Okay.